going to show you how to get Cisco Packet Tracer. Just got to type the URL in, netacad.com. And once we get there, we just go over to login. This first area here is if you have an account already, so you don't want to go there, or login, you don't want to go there either. You want to go below there, either log in with Google. If you don't have a Google account, you can sign up here with whatever email account you may have. Now, I do have a Google account, so I'm going to just click on Google. This is my email address right here, so I'm going to click on that. You can manage sign in with Google in your Google account. Okay, so if you want to change anything later, you can go to your Google account to do that. Now I'm just going to click on continue. And you'll be asked a few more questions about yourself and you'll be all signed up. I didn't finish mine on screen for security reasons, but I'll meet you on the next page. And at this point, I will just accept the agreement. You could read through this if you wish. I'm just going to click on I have read and agree to the terms and conditions. You have other stuff under here. This other box, I would like to receive communication updates. I don't really need to do that, so I'm not going to check that box. I'm just going to go accept and continue. Now you are signed up. It's as easy as that. Now at this point, this is where you will get Cisco Packet Tracer software. That is what you need in order to be able to use Cisco routers and switches and everything. So let's click on Explore. Go down to Cisco Packet Tracer. And then you click on Getting Started with Cisco Packet Tracer. Then you click on Get Started with Self-Paced. And at this point, I'm just going to go down to Download Packet Tracer right here. And you just click on this link. You just scroll down a bit and you'll see the links here. Now you have Mac OS, Ubuntu and Windows, so whichever operating system you have, that would be the one you would click on to download. So I'm just going to click on Mac OS. I've already got this software on my computer, so I would not be installing it, but I'll just show you. You just go ahead and click on it and it's downloaded. It's that easy. Now you can go ahead and install this. Well, congratulations. I hope that you have downloaded Cisco Packet Tracer and you have installed it. And once you open it, you should have a screen just like this on your computer. If you need any help in getting started with Cisco Packet Tracer, I have 2 videos within the description below that will definitely get you started. And if you should need any more help, please feel free to send me a comment and I'll get back to you as soon as I possibly can. This is Trevor from Telecom Training. I hope this video was helpful to you. And if you would like to see more videos like this one, please like and subscribe. Thank you for watching and I hope to see you in the next video.